Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete Apple Maps documents and data on your iPhone. If you've noticed that Apple Maps is taking up a lot of storage space even when you don't use it, you're not alone. The app often stores cached data, downloaded maps, and other temporary files that can quickly build up. Here's how to completely clear that data and free up space on your device. The first thing you should do is reinstall Apple Maps. This helps remove cached map data and temporary files that are stored in the system. Go to your home screen, find the Apple Maps icon, and if the app is grayed out or marked as offline, tap it to reinstall. Once it's reinstalled, open it again to make sure it's active. Next, manually delete any offline maps you downloaded. Open the Apple Maps app and tap your account icon at the top right corner. Then go to Offline Maps and tap Download. You see a list of all the maps stored on your device. Swipe left on any map you want to remove and tap Delete. This will instantly free up the space that those offline maps were using. Now, turn on the Optimize Storage feature for Apple Maps so that iOS can automatically manage this data in the future. Go to Settings, scroll down and select Maps, then tap Optimize Storage. Turn the switch on. With this enabled, your iPhone will automatically delete downloaded maps that you haven't used in a while. Finally, restart your iPhone to clear any remaining cached data. Go to your settings, then General, and select Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off your device. After a few seconds, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears to turn it back on. That's it. You've successfully deleted Apple Maps documents and data and freed up storage on your iPhone.